We're inside of Epcot for the Festival of the Arts. Trying Festival of the Arts food, maybe do some rides. We have an individual lightning lane for Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind right over there. Somewhere.
So Festival of Arts.
There it is. Festival of the Arts with the Epcot ball in the distance.
Okay.
Spaceship Earth right there. As our first ride of the day is gonna be Spaceship Earth. Says 5 minutes right now. Might be 5 minutes. Looks like it's moving pretty quick. So we'll see. Should be a low wait anyway. Spaceship Earth, pretty good ride. We got stuck a couple times. Not bad. One time took a while and the automated voice. But it's a good ride and all. As we're about to go on ride number 2, single rider. Wait time says 50 minutes right now. Not too bad for test track. But we'll do single rider. Hopefully it'll be a little bit shorter. It's kind of raining, so hopefully it stays up. Test track, if you don't know, is a high-speed, thrilling, like you're riding in your car, you create your car and you go test it out on the sim track. It reaches top speed of almost 65 miles per hour. Really fun, really pretty thrilling on that outside part. Time to go in. So now, test track, pretty good ride. I like it. Some people think it's overrated. I don't. I honestly love test track. Now we're going over to the refreshment port to get the paint a cookie, which I haven't had in a while. I'm pretty sure like you just paint your own cookie. So let's go over there now. So this is the Artiste Pele chocolate chip cookie. You get to paint it any way you want. So let's get in here. I will make a good painting. Hopefully. It probably will be bad, don't tell anyone. Let's put some blue right there. Let's put the yellow right here. Get some green. Let's get some green on with the blue, mix it in. By the way, this is really big. So let's take a bite here.
There's restrooms. I think people
That's good.
Down this way to the left.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's big, but it's sure good. As we're in line for Frozen now, it says 70 minutes. There's, at least I'm pretty sure there's no height requirement for Frozen. If there is, it's definitely a low height requirement. It's 70 minutes, as you could see. Not too bad for Frozen. If you don't know, Frozen is like a dark boat ride, small drops. Like, not really too thrilling. All ages will enjoy it. We waited about 80 minutes for Frozen. Not too bad, said 70, but when we were in line, they announced that the wait was gonna be longer than expected. So they were right, I guess. It's Frozen, the ride. It's a good ride. Is it worth 80 minutes? Depends. Depends when it is. Like, if it's like moving really slow. So just your preferences on that. It's a pretty good ride. you'll enjoy it if you do it. I wouldn't recommend to do it if it was like above, if it was like 85 minutes or above. I probably wouldn't recommend doing Frozen with, all I know is 85 minutes or higher. Just try to catch it in one of those times that it's lower, and you'll be pretty good with. As you can see, we are here at Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. This will be our last ride of the day. We bought the individual lightning lane for it, as you can easily see. The starship right there, whatever it's called, Nova Corps ship, something like that. We're gonna go to the museum, I guess. Who's ready to go to the museum? Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind is a high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark. And there's a lot of music going on right now. Up here, Peter Quill dancing to something that probably a lot of you guys know, but I don't, because I'm still in my youth. As I was saying though, Guardians of the Galaxy is a high-speed thrill ride. It goes backwards, forward, in the dark. First, the Kudo, you're in a museum. The lightning lane, you kind of skip it a little bit. You skip some of the museum part. It's still skipping like a 45-minute to an hour-long line down there. Then it goes like up and around a lot. So yeah, this should be really fun. Escaping something, and we paid to see this figure talk to us. So let's watch this figure called Nova Prime talk to us. As you might already be able to, that ride